What's up, Flow family? Welcome back to another video with your local Flow prodigy. If it is your first time on this channel, I'm Brendan Perez, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button to see more videos like this one. In this video, we're going to be going over how to frontside Ollie 180. Let's get into it. So a weird realization that I had during getting all the footage together for this video was whenever I'm doing this trick, I tend to do it best, meaning getting high pop and leveling the board out when I'm riding in switch. If you guys don't know what switch is when you are facing the opposite direction of your normal stance. So for me, I'm regular, meaning my right foot dominant is in the back of the board, where switch for me, like in this moment here, is left foot in the back of the board. So for the whole duration of this video, while I'm teaching you guys how to do this trick in your normal stance, I'll be doing it in switch. Now for foot positioning. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and step up on that board, and we do want to get the highest pop that we can get. So let's push that back foot all the way to the tail of the board. Some people like to be shoulder width apart for this trick. I personally like to get a much wider stance. I just get a higher pop that way. Now, the really important thing about this trick is getting comfortable with opening up our shoulders to be able to get that rotation to begin with for this trick. So, like we are on the grates right now, we're going to squat down pretending that we're about to do that pop. As we're jumping upwards, we want to get used to opening up our shoulders and using the rotation of our upper body and letting it transfer to our lower body. Remember, just like you see in this clip here, you guys are going to notice that even before I jump in the air and pop the ollie up, you see my shoulders turning and opening up first towards the nozzle of the wave. Okay, so let's take a second look at this clip again. You see me squatting down. As I'm squatting back up for that pop, even before my board leaves the water, you can already see my shoulders opening up front side and pointing my chest outwards. At this point, once I've popped the board up in the air for the ollie, all my hips and the board are doing are simply catching up with where my shoulders are facing already, which for you guys would be landing in switch. Okay, so final thing that we're going to be doing right before we take it to the water is we're going to be practicing the same motion that we were doing before on the grates, except we're going to actually be adding the pop into the motion. Okay, so here we go all together. We're going to squat down, loading the board up. As we're popping up, we're going to begin to open up our shoulders, go for that pop, land right back on the board. All right, guys, we're finally able to take it to the water. Always remember, when it comes to this trick, load the board up, open up them shoulders. As the board is popping up in the air, let your hips and the board catch up with your shoulders. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. If you found today's video helpful, don't forget to leave that thumbs up down below. And while you're feeling so generous, why don't you also click on that bell-shaped icon? That is a notification bell, so you will be notified every time I upload. And I will see you guys on the next one.